All right, we live. Make sure I'm on my right account. My TRADECOPIA. Need one good trade today to go ahead and hit my profit target. Tradify, so that's dope. Need about 36 pips, maybe 40 just to cover spread fees and everything. Go ahead and get that today. Ripping up. Roger, you trading your which account you trading today? Your New York account, or are you trading both? Let's see what he said. Just the NY support and resistance. Wait, let me see. Sure. You gonna incorporate that support and resistance into New York anytime soon, Roger? Or you gotta see a little bit longer? I know, bro. I know, Brandon. I can't make nobody want to get active, bro. You really can't. Tax season. All right, let's see. So I ain't touched these charts since yesterday, as y'all know. Daily close bullish above everything. So we could be coming down, making a bottom wick to continue up. But we certainly will see what's going on in that regard. We got a 5-minute candle that just closed above the range. This is a Brandon Beck play. But I'm gonna wait on a 15-minute closure at minimum. Like I said, I need about 36 to 40 pips, and 50 is coming real right now. Y'all see this last 5-minute candle just pushed up. Hell, what was that on the flip? Pushed up 120, 130. So don't really be too crazy asking for 40. You would think. See, right at this little resistance area right here. So, like I said, the daily close bullish, the 4-hour just kind of choppy, just turning side by side. The 1 hour is where we usually start getting most of our ranges from. So you have buys above here, maybe even above here, because that's where we keep respecting right there. And then you're probably trying to come up into these like here, which is this resistance there. Long targets up into here. But all in all, just a little choppy area that we're in, which keep on holding down these support and resistance plays like me and Roger keep talking about. Let's see. You see how price has not broken through this resistance, or sorry, support one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, a whole bunch. The same way it's rejecting out of this resistance right here and this resistance right here. So it's one of them things of if you backtest it, definitely makes sense. Definitely makes sense. If you caught this entry, you could even do another little position up here if you went light right here. So just gotta gotta configure how you want to play this shit, because it's money to be made in it. All you do is set that bit, like trust that it ain't gonna go, 40, 50, 60 negative. I mean, this went 50 negative if you had a support right there, and then it blasted off 200 plus. So, I mean, like Roger was kind of alluding to last night, if you can find a comfortability factor where you can set a support or set a buy off support, and hell, you can go next support down and put a stop loss if you rated small enough. You got a 2 running MGC, you got 100 bits stop loss. I mean, come on, bro. Like, you ain't really worried about $200 little. But you don't see on testing it. But for now, we mostly wait on closures above or below after faking out. But breakouts are better than fakeouts a lot of times, unless prices just ran up and up and up and up and up and up and up. I'm often trying to see like, okay, we done ran this much. Let's go ahead and turn around a little bit. So right now it's 8:37. Mostly waiting on a 15-minute closure. We can get a 15-minute closure above in 7 minutes. Might be something on that for sure. Just anticipate closure above the range like we haven't done yet. Or we start rejecting out of it. We get say some 5-minute candles, turn around, close bullish or bearish, bearish. Might be something here as well. This 5-minute, as I said, kind of came down to retest this little area. Focus on high again, tapping into this same resistance again. So we will definitely see. It's in a range, but it's always money to be made outside of their range. Got to get out of there. A lot of volume, obviously. A lot of volume. Pushing. It's a good thing. Go ahead and clear that range on out. 5-minute candle, no bottom wick after closing below. What in the Brandon? It's weird because it closed below, but it gapped up, so I don't really know. But if it can just chill like right here, maybe pull back about 10, get a nice little 30-40 pip bottom wick, I would definitely anticipate that we can come on up and fill out, this wick here and beyond for real. I got this line here based off of like these resistances over here, but that should be just the first stop, because if you look at like the 1 hour, like boom, boom, we'll see. Should come up into here though. It's the most recent area. 5-minute candle is pulling back. a little bit. He made a bottom wick. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Come on, 5 minutes. Slow down. This 5 minute is doing some somersaults. Brandon and Roger. Once this 5 minute closes bearish, even though the 15 is closing bullish, do we anticipate that the next candle will give a bottom wick on 30 or 40 or 50 down after respecting the same resistance that it didn't close above all these other times? That is the question. And that support and resistance game. If it closes above, different question. Brandon, you loaded up with a new account? Oh, okay. I'm looking at this 15-minute closure above potentially. Should be good, bro. You just never really know with this dumb shit. What's going on? What's going on? I don't like this no top wick, bro. Come on, come down. Give me something. The real stop is down here for 180 or 170. Let's see if I can at least like find a 5 minute or something. Ooh, 5 seconds. Let's see what this looks like. All right, closed above. Left closed above. So, let's see if we can get a nice bottom wick. I'm talking about like, I need this shit to grab some orders. No cap. Then it could either enter on the re-break of its own high or the previous candle high, but the previous candle high is the difference in 17, 18, 19 pips. Like, this technically should be enough if you were to use like a previous 5 minute candle, but bro, I want a little more than that. Like, I just want this thing to come down just to get like a good little retest. Like I said, that could be perfect though. I just don't think that's enough with all the volume and gold right now. It's 29. It's not terrible. Oh no, my fault. That's how we use like the re-break of its own high. That's 20 or 21 pip stop loss. Like, that's so little with all this volume. Back in the day, yes. Right now, I'd rather wait. It could use a previous 15-minute high, but like I said, it closed right above this resistance that you can see on all the time frames. Right here. So it's not bad. It's definitely not bad if you were to use this low. But I just don't know if that's enough right now, technically. We'll see. After it moved up as much as it did from the bottom, closed right above at 140, came down and tapped. So let's just see. If anything, I would like to catch from down here. And you'd be up 30-ish. Let's see if it just continues up. It's still a lot of range. I'd be pissed right now because I've been right near 30, my 36. I had to go stop to BE. Let's see if it will hit. Yeah, bro, that stop was way too small. It was like 17, 18 pips. Yep, played out. It's all good. It's all good. That's crazy though, considering how small of a bottom wick that was. Yeah, bro, that was a 13 pip bottom wick, 14 pip bottom wick. Hey. You took it on the re-break of the previous candle, or you took it on the re-break of its own high? Roger. Current high. Yeah. Small stops. That's what I'd be thinking. I'd be like, you could use like I ain't gonna say smaller stop, but it's just like if you take that little minus 15 to 20, it just is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to be real meticulous right now about this one trade. I need one good trade, bro. One. Wish I would have held, but that's all. Yeah, exactly. Nah, you can never be mad taking profit. Oh yeah, this little right here. Yep. And it was playing around at that high too. What now I'm interested in is if this bitch can pull back and make a bottom wick for this last 1 hour, the last couple minutes of this 1 hour. I will ride that bit down. I promise you. Got 1 minute. Let's see if it can fall. Antonio play will be in full effect right now. This resistance. Once again, that resistance was the 1 hour right here. Just 1 hour resistance right there. That's all I was looking at. Just trying to target into. So all good. Depending on, man, I ain't gonna try to do too much. I ain't gonna try to do too much. That definitely wasn't bad, Roger. What you said yesterday? Bro, fuck it. I said, part of me be on that fucking mode, part of me be like, let me act right for this one last trade I need. One last trade. As long as I know what I want to lose on. Yeah, bro, for real. Like, how much would you have lost on that if it would have hit your stop? It'd have been 150 or 100, $200. So if it's about 1-to-1 or close to it, roll with it. Roll with it, for real. I'm not mad at you. Yeah, exactly. Like, bro, what you said? Fuck it, bro. For real. I think this 15-minute can pull back, bro. It closed below. Seen it too many times. We're small. Yep, I agree. Now this 5-minute candle is potentially making a bottom wick after closing, respecting this little resistance and pushing up with no bottom wick. So I anticipate this thing can start coming down. This can close back under here, respecting on this 1 hour. Man, I'd be something on it for sure. The next play, it literally could be the same play happen again. Roger, you think you would have got out if price would have rebroke its own low, or you think you would have cut it half? What you think you would have done? Just cut it, hold it. Like I said, that's that Roger mentality, bro. It's just like whatever happens, happens. I'm gonna trust that volume. Yep, exactly. Because let me see. And in hindsight, I'd have traded my normal size. I'd have lost like 2014 MGC with what I'm risking. So if I'd have lost 20, even 280. Yeah, bro, that ain't much. And oh, whoopsie do if I'd have make 780 instead of 500, like, yeah, bro. Oh, what are you talking about? Everybody is this candle right here, literally closed perfectly above, came down and perfectly retest this resistance and re-enter, and he entered on the re-break of the high and basically got what you needed in 1 or 2 minutes. That's what you really want. You don't want any drawdown. You don't want to have to. I mean, while you got to use what you're supposed to use, right? You really don't want to have to use a stop loss way to fuck down here to try to catch this resistance. Like, we basically anticipating going up 20, 25 before it go down 17. That's really just what it come down to. So that's it. I rock with it. I'm protecting my stop loss resistance. Exactly.
Perfect.
I'm just interested to see if this 1 hour can close above right here. This resistance is playing around at. Can we just come on up into this next resistance right here? Can we? Surprised this 5-minute candle is doing all this pushing. But like I said, we'll see. Definitely see. Tapping it again. It's so crazy how big we used to risk on shit like that, Roger. Like, I would have thrown a 3 on that. Like, real shit. Because, bro, it was a 17 pip stop. You saying shit, whatever happens, I lose 500 or I lose 510. Bro, MGC. And then MGC make you realize that you got even more, like, room to play with, for real. For sure. I do got to keep that in mind. I think I'm, like, still holding on to that old thought process of trying to be so perfect, just because, like, bro, every little drawdown was so dire, bro. Like, we couldn't even sit in nothing more than 25. Now it's like, bro, if I'd have thrown that 7, I could have put my stop loss under here. Because, like, the re-entry was, or the entry itself was here after giving a 14, 15 to the bottom weight. But hell, I could have used a 25, 26. I could have used 70 if I wanted to. So just got to keep that in mind, which I will from now on. Definitely keep that in mind. You got a little bit of breathing room, and you're not seeing just crazy ass numbers every single time you enter no more. That's good to know and keep in the back of my mind. Come on, 5 minutes. Come down. Even if it's stop loss, you can put another play on. Exactly. So if this would have hit stop loss for minus 15 on a 7, that'd have been minus. Bro, that's crazy. That'd only been like, or minus 14. That'd have been like minus 200 or minus 210. Bro, like he's saying, you literally could have put another entry on a re-break at a high at the same dollar amount and got back double your money. I'm about making 30, 40. Like, yeah, bro. And that's a good point, Roger, to keep in mind of just like, we have the room to take these chances because we sized down a little bit and are holding a little bit longer. So I'm gonna definitely keep that in mind. Thank you. got 4 minutes ish for this closure. Okay. I like this. I like how this is about to close. This is crazy though, Roger, because I mean, we'll get there one day of just being able to hold and hold and hold. We're striving towards that, but right, you've seen some good profits right here off of that entry. You seen off of a 16, 17 pip stop. Right, you done seen 80 plus, 70 plus. Wow. A lot of money to be made by trusting your gut. For sure. But he said it, y'all. He's like, I done seen it play out too many times. Ain't no point in being scary if you know to play. You know to play. And that's why I'm saying, like, 40, 50 right now ain't really a crazy thing to be asking for. You got in that 1 5-minute candle, 56, 60. Yeah, right here. This is weird. Is this gonna close above? I don't love how this is rejecting out of this either. But bro, if this shit can come down and close under here in the next minute, oh my god, I'm taking this L. But if it closes kind of like this, I still think it's gonna buy. So 1 minute. Even though I don't love how this 15 minutes closing with this big ass rejection. But let's see. And once again, whoever had the sell stop on the break of this, or on the sell limit on the break, what you seeing 50, sitting about 25 pip drawdown. Fuck, bro. I really think once this weak bullish candle gets broken, I think it's gonna come down. I just can't get in it if price closes above, bro. I can't do it. Damn, I think it's gonna come down. That weak ass candle closure. 25 seconds. I may do something on this break of this low if I can get a closure under. But if it just respect, I gotta take my gun. Let me see. 13 seconds, 10 seconds. Damn, this looks good to come down, bro. 5. That was a weird closure. The 1 hour closed above, but the 15-minute closed bearish, like hella weak. That's a weird ass closure, y'all. Like, think about it. This 1 hour candle just closed above everything. This 30-minute candle just closed above everything. So once this candle re-breaks this high, it should get going off of this 32 pip down wick. Roger, do I trust my gut? Or do I wait on some more structure after this 15-minute resistance is formulated? The 1 hour says it's supposed to go up after closing above, and then this is retesting this low. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. You think wait? I think the 1 hour closed above. But it did reject like hell though. I think when this shit flipped though, after retesting this resistance, yeah, I'm gonna set it. I'm gonna set it. Yeah, that's why I'm with you, Brandon. I'm with you. That's because of how it flipped. And it's about to
Stop filled.
Oh my god. That shit got me in by a nipple. Man. What the hell? Brandon, this shit got me in by like the spread, bro. Man, come on, go. Don't do me like that. All right, should be good again. Yeah. All right, now it actually got me in. Come on, bro. It was a very weird close, though. I mean, I got my stop right here at the bottom. It's a smaller stop. I'm not too much tripping on it, but it is being annoying. Just run up. What's going on? Then I rebroke its own high 3-4 times now. Come on now, gold. Don't be on the BS. Got my stops in place. So whatever happens, happens. Come on now. Roger took his one little quick ass move, so he's chilling. I'm trying to eat a little bit. Him, Brandon, playing around. Come on. Come on, bruh. Oh my god. Man.
Order filled.
I'm gonna just close that. Because I know that shit about to hit stop. It ain't no point in watching it up. There you go. All good, all good, all good. Lost 200 on that. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. And I knew once it rebroke its low that it would go further. But like we said though, not enough. After breaking this weak ass low. Damn. It's so crazy how that like the move was technically to sell. Let me call this lady back. I'm ready for the next trade. One second. And I said it too, bruh. I said it. It's so funny, Roger. At 8:45, this shit want to go with this little bottom wick, but they give a 30 pip bottom wick and they don't want to do shit. You see that dumb shit, man? Brandon, you starting out the gate, boy. Out the gate. Hell. But it's all good. It's all good. 150. Yeah, I only lost $419 on my TRADECOPIA. I think I only need like still $900. So still ain't no big deal. But Roger said it though. He said it's a weird closure. So no big deal. We'll get that right back. Like I said, if up on our normal trades, I'm usually winning 400, 500, then I ain't too mad about losing the 200. All good. I just having that wherewithal to just cut that shit. Just cut it. So it's 907. Take it back. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Roger, what you eyeing next? Closure above? Here. I need to make or $159, 159, 015 minus. Looks like it may go back. Yeah, it might. Definitely might. Yeah, I was looking at it when it was up here. It looked like it was making a bottom wick pull up, but you never know. Damn, bro. I thought I was gonna give that perfect little tap off resistance again. I seen, I ain't see shit, but 4 or 5 pips. It wasn't nothing crazy. My drew was a 100 or 50, 100. Got up to 51. Oh, 51.08. Ain't bad though. Look how it's like making the bottom wick to continue up. It just might have needed to print bigger bottom wick or continuing up. The actual move is still up based off of the 1 hour closing above. It's just a little early. So I got out at 51. 97.3. It's higher than that right now. But we're gonna see if this wants to go ahead and start pushing up again and continue up, or we're gonna go ahead and make our way down. But if we can close above this 15-minute resistance right here, it'll be straight. Got this based off of the 1 hour, but the real resistance is right here. Like I said, only down $200 on that account from taking a less than 30 pip loss. With all this volume, I'm cool with that. Definitely cool. Let's get back in it some right now. It's wild. Back in my entry. Damn, if I can only sit in that much drawdown. 100 pip drawdown, just for it to come right back up. Okay. 3 minutes. If this shit can stay right here, that'd be perfect. Need a bottom wick though. leave me. Chill. Chill. Back to be up. Come on, chill out, and don't run off. Pull back. There. Brandon, you on a challenge account? So you just, what do you break even on a day, or you made more than after getting it back? Was TRADECOPIA better price than Lucid? Or you just use the TRADECOPIA in their platform? All right, 1 minute. You ready? Log back in. Same kind of deal. Ooh, never mind. Not with this 5 minute that just did that. Ooh wee. Okay, 5 minute candle. What you doing? Was there news that just dropped or a tweet? What the hell? What Trump do? Yeah. Bruh, this shit about to sell. Oh man. Did y'all say anything? Hell no. Damn. What are we watching right now? It just tapped into a support. Alrighty. What the hell? Brandon said, good afternoon. Boy, get the fuck out of here. That's wild. Bro, this is wild. Mm-hmm. This shit was literally up here, like during. Bro, that's so crazy. The daily low 50.65 point. Mm-hmm. It just in literally a small ass range. Just hanging out. That's just fucking annoying, bro. Like I fucking called it when this shit closed all soft bearish like this. Fuck. Let's see. We right at the support. Probably wait. I mean, yeah, probably waiting on 9:30 at this point just to see. We closed respecting this support right here. So although it's in the range, if it gets back above here, you probably can take it back up like everything else that happened when it came up here, like into this, into here. So we just gonna see. Definitely gonna see what happens if we can get back above there, or if we stay below there. May look at Antonio play. It's some options right now still, even though it's in a range. It's always a way to trade it. But I'm going to be right back again. volume. They're in the New York. $9.30. I'm expecting a move, bro. A move. I need like 40 to 50 tips, bro. 40, 50. Yeah, because I was. See what we got going on, y'all. See what we got going on. Three minutes. Come on. There's no topic on that 5 minute. Interesting. I see this buying up. I see it buying up for real. If we close, like, look at this 15-minute closure, bro. Like, if this shit closes respecting this support, and we can get some volume on a break of this high. Yeah, bro. I'm with it. I'm something on that. Let's get it. Respect that. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. I like it. I like really to enter on a 5 minute for real, depending on the bottom wick. On a break of that weak 5 minute candle, anticipating if we get a bottom wick first, anticipating that price will not only fill this out, but when it breaks that, it should go some more. I think this shit about to go up hella if it closes respecting that support. Let's see, 8. But if it closes, and it's just weird though, because if it closes below all this, it really could go down. That's why I really wanted to close above. But I'm open to both ideas, just with how it's printing and it being 930. If it closes above here, I'm anticipating that we come on up to fill out, kind of into this resistance again. If it closes below, I really think this shit about to fall. And at least cover this wick. But let's see, 1 minute. Because if it closed like this, I would not have a problem entering on a break of this 5 minute, anticipating that this wick gets filled on the 30. So I'm open to both ideas. I would need or prefer a wick. For real. So let's see. Kind of got to be quick with the trigger finger, as y'all know. So I gave both ideas. If this closes above at 930, I'm interested in a buy. If this closes below at 930, I am interested in a sell, trusting that 930 volume will come on down, may bring this on down into these supports. Got the 4-hour candle pulling back right at a 4-hour support, but I ain't really worried about that. Not at 930 volume. So I guess it would look something like, come on now, leave some range for me. But damn, it's covering all this range out. It's still good though. We'll see. We'll see how this opens. I'm not super gotta have it. Let's see. Yep, okay, I'm setting it just with the way this opened. With the way that this opened. Anticipating that when it breaks that its own low and that previous low, it should get going. I need about, not need, but I would like about 50 out of this. So just a wick so early. It stops getting a little big, but, and that's it tapping into that resistance. right there. Wish I could go ahead and set my little sell stop or my sell limit right there, Roger style. But I'm gonna let price do what it do. If it just starts breaking and breaking and breaking and breaking, I'm leave it alone. A lot of volume right now, though, y'all. A lot. So be careful. Ooh, it's flipping.
Stop filled.
All right, I'm in 5082.1. Come on, come down. It slipped me like hell. Oh, no, it didn't. No, it didn't. Come on, bruh. Come down. Come down. It's just a 30-minute candle. Oh, shit. Well, oh.
Stop filled.
Well, that is my day. Bro, what the heck? Man. That's so... What the fuck? Let me see. It may or may not be. Like, what the fuck, bro? Why? User error got it. 5081 to 58. 491. 491. That's so annoying, bro. Why are you doing this? Well, the entry on that was simply 5-minute candle closed below the range, 30-minute candle closed below the range, anticipating that 930 volume would not only break that previous low, but bring it on down to fill this wick on out into these supports right here. But it did not play out. So it's all good. It's all good. I didn't really like that play. Exactly. 930. That's what I'm trusting more than anything. Man, come on, bruh. And look at the buys now. This shit is crazy. I'm gonna trust 930 every time with this 15-minute candle closing below, bruh. If you just look just like this, 15-minute candle close below. Well, like I said, I'm not out of it yet. I ain't out of it yet. Even with only taking 2 losses, I still am down 660, so it ain't the end of the world. But damn, bro, up. Close to support. Close to support. But yeah, 930 exactly, bro. Come on, 930. It's all good. It's all good. Now it's about just digging into the loss. I'm not doing nothing too crazy. Still real close to payout. Just got to get some of that back. Or majority of that back. It's all good. Damn, that's so annoying. See how this 5-minute about to close. It's crazy because this 5-minute closure is actually good. It's just I don't like playing a 5-minute game. Yeah, because you just tap right into this. It's just like you trying to scalp at that point, which is nothing wrong with at all. But I'd rather just wait on a 915 candle. Or sorry, 945 candle. Damn. 50.88. Where did I know that shit slipped my take profit to? $50.88. Like orders. Yeah, bruh. I had my stop loss at 50.87.4 and I got filled at 50.88. So that is an additional $140 or some shit, $144. Shit is annoying. I'm getting slipped, bruh. Why does it do that dumb shit, bruh? That's what I be talking about. Like, surely we gonna come down and fill this. And then what did I get on the entry? Yeah, I see I didn't get slipped too bad. 50.82.3, 50.82.1. So it ain't that bad. But yeah, I got slipped 2 on the entry and 6 on the exit. So once again, an 8 pip swing. Ooh, that should add up, boy. Like I said, can't do nothing too crazy. Can't do nothing too crazy. I'll put some dumb shit happening. Bro, this shit really coming back down to the entry too. It was only 30 pips from it. You just can't sit in all that shit, bro. You cannot sit in all this. Bruh. Yep, there you go. Flipping again, coming back down. Just re-broke that low. I wonder if at this point it's just getting too close to the supports. But I slick think that the next 5-minute candle will come down. If it closes below all these supports right here. If it closes below there, I bet you it comes down. If it doesn't close below there, it might still come down, but I'm not as confident. But I don't want to get chopped up in the range though. This a Brandon Beck move? Let's see, because we're the 30-minute. So you have a support that's right here. 30-minute support that's right here. Yeah. Terrible. I don't want to do nothing too hasty right now, bruh. To be honest. Nothing too hasty. Alright, so that 5-minute candle just closed. No bottom wick. Opening. Me neither. I don't know what's going. Like at this point, I damn near want to closure back above here, but bro, it's just getting chopped in this range. I don't fuck with, bro. Not fuck with that shit. I think that, bro, I really do be thinking that that volume is gonna push you into and past all this shit. But like, bro, you just really don't. Oh, and you go be on that dumb shit, man. You really don't know. I do think if it closes below, it's gonna go ahead and get going. You do have a 1 hour support down there, which is about 35 away. If it closes just like this, but if it can like close down here, make a top wick, and you get an entry on a break of that low, I wouldn't mind seeing what it can do into here and beyond. I think it's gonna come into this support where all these wicks are. Like down into here is where I really think we're gonna come into if we go ahead and come down. That's an if. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Mm. 45 seconds. I said, I don't hate it. Damn. Shit, there we go. Fuck. But I hit my TP. Don't make me want to set a sell stop on the break of the daily low. All right, this shit got to pull back now. It's getting real close to 1 hour support, 30-minute support. Yeah, bro, you're right. Support. Potentially, look at Antonio play. It just bottom ball. Closure actually isn't bad. Now that it's pulling back a little bit, it would just have to wick straight up and not fall first. Not enough. Not enough. I need like up here or something. See, this might be my another attempt on the sell. Unfortunately. Fortunately, but unfortunately. How big of a stop is this now? All right, that's good for me. So, third try the charm. Just a closure below. Closure below the range. Let me give this shit a little breathing room. Retest. Can't really hold for too long, honestly. Just because you got a support right there. And while I do anticipate we come down into here, you just never really know if it will stop up there. So anywhere between 74 and 73, I would anticipate taking some profits. This is a 15-minute candle that once again closed below there. You do have a lot of supports over here, I will admit. I'm just simply trusting the price action of this candle right here, closing below this most recent support. This candle opening up, how much of a bottom weight, coming back down to re-break its down low. And if it does re-break its down low, I think but we'll see. It may or may not. And it keeps running up and up and up and up and up, man. I would like a nice little 50, 60 pip fall in the span of 1 or 2 minutes, please. All right, so it should be supposed to get me in. Once again, grabbing these orders. The stop loss will be about 63 technical stop loss. When it does get me in, I'm just anticipating that we should not play around. If you don't like it, don't take it. No watching. I don't know why you getting in. Bro, I'm not in over here. Oh my gosh. What the hell? My trade copier is not getting me in. Alright. Go ahead and bruh. Oh my god. Bro. My trade copier fucked up. Bro. What's going on? Button. Bruh. What just happened? Oh my gosh, bruh. My trade copier did not get me in at all. Are you serious? Well, that just blew me for the day. I mean, bro.
Damn, like none of them got copied?
None of them, bro. None of them. What the hell? Nothing. Here we go. Man. Go and record this. That's my day. So, can't do anything with TRADECOPIA. Let me guess. TRADECOPIA acting up again. Bruh.
Stop filled.
Man.
Order filled.
What is that?
Bro, it just
Order
got me.
filled.
Oh my goodness, bro. It just got me in just to get me out. Button.
Order filled.
Bro, what the fuck?
Bro, what just happened? Yep, I'm gonna hit up.
Did it lag and get you in late? Like,
Bro, yes.
Order filled.
Bro, what is going
Keep
on?
doing that shit.
Did it do it to you too?
Nah, I'm looking at your screen like, why is it doing that?
Bro, come on. What the hell?
Good thing it's recorded though.
Yeah, it's recorded. Everything's recorded. And it partly made me want to get back in it just around my entry. Oh, damn, I was about to. Oh, no. I was sure about to. Fuck, bruh. Goodness. Bro, what's going on with this bullshit? Bro, this shit made me want to reach out to them. I want to get back in it just to see if I can catch it.
On the breakup is current low?
No.
Order filled.
Bruh, what is going on, bro?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Bro. Bro, what is going on? Yeah, I'm about to get mad. I gotta go ahead and just get off of this shit. Bro, what the hell just happened with TRADECOPIA? Did it actually have another error? Bruh, let me see.
Order filled.
Bruh. This is just tripping. Like, it's just tripping. It just keeps getting me into stuff. I'm not doing anything.
What if you log out and log back in?
Bruh, I don't know what to do. No cap. Like, no cap at all. Yeah, I just got to message support. Because at this point, it just keeps getting me into stuff. My goodness, Roger. You can't win with this shit, bro. Man. So annoying, man. So annoying. I'm just seeing if this shit will gonna fall at this point. Nothing else to do.
Wait, so you're in?
Bro, I'm in the position.
They won't let you close out?
I mean, I'm about to when it gets TP or close to it. Because now it's running.
Order filled.
There we go. Well, here's my TP, but I took all these damn unnecessary losses. I'm so annoyed. I literally could not close out with my position. That shit's that perfectly. Yeah, bro. Like I said, before I do anything crazy, I probably should just email them, and I don't even know who to email. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I don't even know what else I'll be looking to take right now, for real. Just kind of blow me a little bit. But I'm gonna hit the group message, bro. Like I said, if I see anything, I'm just definitely at the group.
All right.
All right, say less. Damn.